So nevertheless, once you are done, girl, you're going to be loving your skin. Hi my love, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve a glowing skin in less than 90 days. And these are some of the tips that I do to be able to achieve this glowing and healthy skin. So if you are interested in this topic, just stick around, like this video, drop me a comment in the comment section, and let's just get right into the video, okay? So number one tip that I do if I want to have that glowing skin is that I take care of my gut health. Yes, I detox my system to be able to, remove any kind of impurities out of my body. And I do that using this particular ginger shot. I take this every morning. Because I'm an ulcer patient, I do not take this like that. I just pour a little of this ginger shot into a glass and I dilute it with a little bit of water, and I take it every morning. So this is the first thing that I take in the morning before I go ahead and eat my breakfast. So this is made with ginger, turmeric, garlic, lime, lemon and honey. So it will help build your immune system and also detox your body from any kind of impurity, any kind of toxic or whatever that is inside your body. It's just going to cleanse your system, and it's also help you to improve your digestive system, and also it's also going to help with your skin, like improving the glowing and healthy skin. Like since I started taking this particular ginger shot, I've seen a lot of improvement in my skin. Like my skin is literally glowing. Like this is me just waking up. I just washed my face. I've not even had my bath, and I'm just looking like really glowing like this, honestly. So taking this is also going to improve your skin and also make you to glow from inside out. So this is what I take every morning. The second tip that I do when I want to keep my skin glowing is using my skincare product. And now, before you go ahead and use your skincare product, you need to know your skin type, so you'll be able to know what product to get for your skin. And we have dry skin, we have oily skin, we have combination skin, and we have normal skin, and also we have sensitive skin. So when you know your skin type, you'll be able to know the products to get for your skin. I have oily skin, and what I do is that I get products that are going to be beneficial to my skin as an oily skin and also as an acne prone skin. These are some of the things that I do to just keep my skin glowy and healthy. When it comes to the skincare routine, we need to start with the basic routine, and for the basic routine, it consists of facial wash and toners and serums and moisturizer and sunscreen. And sometimes you can just go for the toner before you get the serum, but if you can afford both, you can get everything at once. Okay, for the facial cleanser, this is what I use to clean my face, and this is the simple facial moisturizer face wash, and I use this every other day to just cleanse my face. And this is for all skin types, so you can use this even if you are oily skin or dry skin or combination skin. You can use this to cleanse your face. I like this particular simple facial cleanser because it doesn't really leave any kind of dry feeling on my skin. It leaves my skin really feeling moisturized and also retain moistures into my skin. So this is why I like using this particular facial wash. And if you are dry skin, you can also get this one because it really works fine for dry skin as well. So the next thing is toner, and for the toner, I use this for the toner. This is the Neutrogena Fight and Fade toner, and I use this to just fight any acne and also breakouts. I use this like every other day to just cleanse my face. It contains salicylic acid 2%, so it's really good for acne prone skin, and this is what I use to just cleanse my face every other day. And I use this mostly at night. I do not use it during the day. I mostly use it at night to just clean my face and remove any extra dirty I have on my skin. So this really worked for me. And for the serum, I use this serum. So guys, even if you don't have money to get serum, you can just go for your toner first. Toner is very important. Serums is also very important, but you can either go for your serum or for your your toner. So for the serum, I use the Beauty of Joseon serum. This is their Glow Deep serum. It's made with rice and alpha arbutin. So this is just going to target my dark spots I have on my face and just brighten up my skin and leave my skin glowing and looking so radiant. So this is what I use for the serum. Now the next thing is moisturizer, and for the moisturizer I use this product. This is the aloe vera gel that I use mostly. I've talked about this in my channel like a lot of times, and sometimes I use my Costress all-in-one cream. I use this sometimes, but I mostly use this every other day because I don't know, I just like using my aloe vera gel most of the time because aloe vera gel is kind of multi-purpose and I use it for a lot of things, so why not? But I also use this Costress face cream, and I use it like once in a while just to moisturize my skin. And also, if you have dry skin, this is a very good face cream that you can use for your skin. It's for all skin type, so even if you are oily skin, you can use it. It's made with, it's a water-based face cream, and it's very, very moisturizing, so you can use it for your face and, you know, just to keep your face moisturized all day. And it's for all skin type. It's going to leave your skin really glowing and also leave your skin really healthy. So this is what I use for my face as the moisturizer. Now the next thing you want to do is get a sunscreen for your skin to protect your skin, to make sure that your skin is well protected and doesn't get damaged by the sun rays. And for the sunscreen, currently I'm using this for the sunscreen. This is what I use for my sunscreen, and this is the by UV water gel sunscreen. Contains SPF 50 plus, so it's a very good sunscreen that just helped me to protect my skin from the UVA and the UVB rays. So this is what I am currently using for my sunscreen. Number 3 tips on my list if you want to stay healthy is exfoliating. Yes guys, you need to exfoliate your skin regularly, and for me, I exfoliate my skin like once or 2 times in a week, and I use either my sugar scrub, or I use my chemical exfoliant to exfoliate my skin. And sometimes I use my Kojak sponge, and this is like a tiny round sponge that I can just use to just massage my face all over, and it just helps exfoliate my skin really well. So I use that sometimes if I want to exfoliate my skin and just keep my skin glow and flawless and remove the dead skin from my skin. To have this bright and glowing skin, you also need to exfoliate your skin, and this is what I do when I want to exfoliate my skin. I use the Kojic sponge to just rub it all over my face and exfoliate my skin really good, or I go in with my sugar scrub sometimes, and I really do it gently when I'm using the physical scrub to scrub my face, or sometimes I also use my chemical exfoliant when I'm exfoliating my skin. Okay, another thing that I do when I want to keep my skin glowy and healthy is that I use face mask. And for the facial mask today, I'll be showing you guys some facial masks that I use to just keep my skin really glowing and healthy. So sometimes I use this particular face mask here, and I use it like 3 times weekly. Then every Wednesday, I was supposed to make this video yesterday, which is Wednesday, but because I was a bit under the weather today, which is Thursday, I said okay, I'm going to make this video for you guys. So when it comes to using face mask, sometimes I use the natural face mask, and I use my oatmeal. So I have my oatmeal here. This is my blender. I used to blend my oatmeal, and this particular blender can blend everything, every other thing that you want to blend with it. It can blend it for you. So this is what I use, and I'm going to show you guys how I mix everything together. I use the oatmeal and the honey, and I just mix it together and I apply it to my face. So I'm going to do that now and show you guys how I do it. Okay. So I pour my oatmeal into the bowl I'm going to use. So I already have my oatmeal here. So all these things that I'm using for my face masks, all these things I'm not using them again in the kitchen. So if you want to get something like this to use on your face, do not use them. Make sure that these are things that you do not use in your kitchen, like these are just for your skincare. Okay, so now I go in with my honey. So I'm just going to take 1 spoon of my honey and add it. So now I'm going to mix the honey with the oatmeal, and I just apply it on my face. So it's looking kind of paste. So I'm just going to apply it on my face. So this is what I do this every Wednesday to just help keep my skin. It's just going to help exfoliate my skin as well and just give me that glowing skin. So this is just going to be a little bit messy, but you want to be careful when you're applying this on your face so it doesn't just. So but me, most of the time when I do this is when I want to go and take my bath, and I do it mostly in the morning when I want to go and take my bath. First thing in the morning, I just apply this on my face, and most of the times I like it to stay on my skin for like 5 to 10 minutes before I go ahead and rinse it off. And you will see how my skin will be looking so flawless, and it will just be glowing. So the oatmeal is just going to help brighten up my skin, and the honey is also going to help exfoliate my skin and just fight any bacteria I have on my skin. Any bacteria causing acne on my skin is just going to help with that. So this is a very good natural ingredients that you can also use if you want to have that healthy and glowing skin. So because of the honey in this, it's going to be kind of sticky on your face, but nevertheless once you are done, girl, you're going to be loving your skin after doing this. Trust me. So I'm going to leave it on my skin for a while, then I'm going to. So guys, I just finished washing my face, and you can see how glowing my skin is looking. Like when you are washing this face mask off, it's going to be a little bit messy, but you just have to be very careful when you are washing it off, because it can stick to your skin really good. So you have to wash it very well. So you can see how smooth my skin is looking after using this face mask, right? This is a very nice face mask that you can always do like once in a week to just keep your skin glowy and healthy. And these are all the tips that I do when I want to keep my skin healthy. And if you do this, you're going to achieve that glowing skin in less than 90 days. All right guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please like this video and also share with a friend, and also subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.